Hello guys, here I am and with a new video of unboxing a new HP Pavilion gaming series, and let's just give you an example of that. What's the here is it. Here we are. Here we have like it's an Pavilion gaming laptop, 8th generation Core i7. These are the specification. So just let's now unbox it. So here we are, and we got the new HP laptop, and this is the power cord in the box came, and here is the charger. See, I am pretty much like HP is doing a really great stuff, and it's like, see that it's a very handy charger and it feels good and compact. And this laptop is for the entry level, that the ones the guys those are like doing to entering in the gaming machine. So it's very decent machine. It's like a Pavilion one, but yeah, it's definitely a very really reliable machine. So here's its output. Like, see what we got here is a headphone jack, and HDMI one, power cord, the USB, it's a Thunder port, and the HDMI, and the gigabyte thing is back of the laptop. Here the front, and here comes the back side. It comes with a Pavilion logo. Yeah, these are two 8 ones. This is for, I think, the graphic card, and this one is for the CPU front. Whoa. So here is the look and feel of the laptop. It's a brand new machine. This is the keyboard. Okay, it seems like this material is made of metal, but somehow it seems like a plastic, but it polished in such a way that it's like metal. Overall, the build quality of this laptop is really great, and I'm really impressed with it. Like, all the complete body is of plastic but totally intact. See, and like HP is really doing great stuff in the gaming series laptop machines, and it comes with the 4GB Nvidia 1050 GTX graphic card. So it's not like, it's like you can take it anywhere. It's very lightweight as compared to as compared to the other gaming laptops with these same specs. Those laptops are like bit heavy, but it's really lightweight, and really light. You can say that it's really very lightweight, but as compared to those machines, this one is the pretty much lightweight. The LCD, like there is a flex there because of the central hinge of this laptop, but it looks great when it comes to the gaming specs. And Okay, thanks a lot guys. This is it, and thanks a lot guys for viewing my videos and and likes my videos. So at the end I'll just really say that do subscribe my channel, and hit a like button if you want. So, and if you want me to review a game review on this machine, do comment me in the comment section, and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot guys. Have a good day.